Could this tiny rare earth mining company be sitting on one of the world's most strategic resources? Namibia Critical Metals Inc., trading under ticker symbols NMI in Canada and NMREF in the US, is quietly advancing a heavy rare earth project that could supply key materials for electric vehicles, wind turbines, and advanced defense systems. In today's video, we're breaking down the potential, the risks, and whether this under-the-radar stock deserves a spot on your 2026 watch list. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, we explore emerging small-cap and penny stock opportunities in clean energy, AI, and critical materials. If that's your thing, hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives like this. Today's focus, Namibia Critical Metals Inc., a junior miner that could become a key player in the global race for heavy rare earths. Let's get into it.
So, what exactly does Namibia Critical Metals do? The company is focused on developing the Lofdal Heavy Rare Earth Project, located in northwestern Namibia. They own 95% of the project, with the remaining 5% held by local partners. Now, this isn't your typical gold or copper mine. The Lofdal project targets heavy rare earth elements, specifically dysprosium and terbium, two of the rarest and most valuable metals used in permanent magnets. These magnets are essential for electric vehicle motors, wind turbine generators, smartphones, and even defense applications like fighter jets and missile guidance systems. So, when we talk about critical materials, we're literally talking about metals that power the next generation of technology.
That's why this story is catching attention. The world is in the middle of a rare earth supply crisis. China currently dominates around 70% of global rare earth production, which means the rest of the world, including the US, Japan, and Europe, are urgently seeking independent supply chains. As electric vehicles, robotics, and renewable energy projects scale up, demand for heavy rare earths like dysprosium and terbium is expected to double by 2030. That's the macro backdrop driving investor interest in companies like Namibia Critical Metals, one of the few outside China players developing a heavy rare earth deposit. Now here's where things get interesting. Namibia Critical Metals isn't just sitting on potential. They've been delivering real progress. In 2025, the company announced the successful completion of a pilot-scale hydrometallurgical plant test, confirming they can efficiently process their ore into rare earth carbonate, a major technical milestone. Even more significant, their partner JOGMEC, the Japan Organization for Metals and Energy Security, increased its financial support and now holds a 40% interest in the project. That's not just funding, that's strategic backing from the Japanese government, which is actively securing critical mineral supply chains for its industries. This partnership adds credibility, funding, and a potential future buyer for the project's output. Let's talk about the numbers. Namibia Critical Metals trades under NMI on the TSX Venture Exchange and NMREF on the US OTCQB market. It's a microcap stock, typically trading between 5 and 10 cents per share, with a market cap in the low tens of millions, making it a true early-stage speculative opportunity. Now, keep in mind, the company isn't generating revenue yet. It's still in the exploration and development phase. That means financing risk and dilution are major factors to consider. They recently raised funds through private placements, and JOGMEC's participation helps offset some future funding needs. But like all junior miners, expect future equity raises as they progress toward feasibility studies and potential construction.
So, what's the actual upside here? The Lofdal project hosts rare earth mineralization rich in dysprosium and terbium, two of the most critical and valuable heavy rare earths on the planet. Unlike lighter rare earths, which are abundant and lower priced, heavy rare earths command premium prices and are essential for high-performance magnets. According to resource estimates, Lofdal's grades and tonnage could support multi-decade production once developed. Namibia's stable mining policies, good infrastructure, and transparent permitting process also add confidence that this project could move forward with fewer geopolitical hurdles compared to many regions.
If you're interested in following or investing in Namibia Critical Metals, here's what to know. Canadian investors can trade on the TSX Venture Exchange, NMI. U.S. investors can access it through the OTCQB under NMREF. As with most early-stage resource companies, use limit orders and remember that liquidity can be thin. This is not a stock to trade aggressively. It's one to monitor over the long term as the project matures. Always do your own due diligence, read the company's official reports and filings, and never invest more than you can afford to lose in speculative ventures. If you found this breakdown useful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Do you think Namibia Critical Metals could be the next big rare earth winner? Or is the risk too high? Thanks for watching, and as always, stay informed, stay diversified, and I'll see you in the next video.